Good morning, students. Today I am going to discuss Maths Mains 2019 questions. This is part 2. See the first question, what they are giving. Let A and B be two inversible matrix of order 3 by 3. If data of AB A transpose is equal to 8, data of AB inverse is equal to 8, then data of BA inverse B transpose is equal to. Here, first take det A value. For suppose this is X, this is assumption only. Let det B take Y. Data of A inverse, that is 1 by det A, that is equal to 1 by X. Similarly, data of B inverse 1 by det B, that is equal to 1 by Y. Here observe that det A is equal to det A transpose. These two are equal. Det B is equal to det B transpose. Transpose of determinant of matrix is equal to determinant of transpose of the matrix. But in the question, determinant of ABA transpose is equal to 8 given. Apply the determinant formula here. Det A, det B, data of A transpose is equal to 8. What is det A? X. Det B, Y. Det A transpose. Det A is equal to det A transpose. That is X equal to 8. Now finally this is X square Y is equal to 8. Second condition given. Data of A, B inverse is equal to 8. What is the formula here? Det A into data of B inverse, that is equal to 8. Det A value is X. Data of B inverse means 1 by Y, that is equal to 8. Now finally, what is X? 8Y. X is 8Y, or we can write 8Y. Okay, no problem. In place of X, substitute here 8y whole square into y, that is equal to 8. Now one of the 8 is going to cancel. Finally, y cube is equal to 1 by 8, that is 1 by 2 whole cube. Finally, what is y value? 1 by 2. So this value substitute here, 8 into 1 by 2, that is 4. Finally, x value is 4, y value is 1 by 2. But we need to find data of B, A inverse, B transpose. This is det B, det A inverse, det B transpose. So this is y, this is 1 by x, this is y. Overall, y square by x, y means 1 by 2, this is a whole square, into 1 by x, this is 1 by 4. 1 by 2 square means this is 1 by 4, 1 by 4 into 1 by 4, 1 by 16. So finally, which option is correct? Third option is correct. Here, remember it the formulas, then apply the formula, you will get very easy. I'm going to second question. See the question what they are given. A matrix given, then the matrix A power minus 50 when theta is equal to pi by 12 is equal to, generally A matrix A, B, C, D. Then what is the A inverse, tell me? That is 1 by AD minus BC into D minus B minus C A. This is A inverse form. A matrix already given. Find the A inverse. A inverse is equal to 1 by AD minus BC. That is, we get cos square theta plus sin square theta into, now A and D interchange and CB change the sign. We get finally this is cos theta sin theta minus sin theta cos theta. So cos squared theta plus sin squared theta value is 1. Finally, A inverse is equal to, we get cos theta sin theta minus sin theta cos theta. This is A inverse. So now I'm going to find A power minus 2. That means A power minus 1 whole square. So A power minus 1 whole square means how to write? A power minus 1 into A power minus 1. That is A inverse into A inverse. So I am writing one of the A inverse into second A inverse, cos theta sin theta minus sin theta cos theta. Multiply these two matrices, we get in the form of like this. Do the multiplication. Cos 2 theta sin 2 theta minus sin 2 theta cos 2 theta. Okay, multiply first row, first column, cos square theta minus sin square theta, that is cos 2 theta. Next term 2 sin theta cos theta will come, that is sin 2 theta. This is A power minus 2. Here A power minus 2 is there. Here also we got 2. So by observing this, I am going to write directly A power minus 50. That is cos of 50 theta sin of 50 theta minus sin of 50 theta cos of 50 theta. This is A power minus 50. But A power minus 50, when theta is equal to pi by 12, they are asking. So A power minus 50 at theta is equal to pi by 12. Just in place of theta, substitute pi by 12. We get cos 50 pi by 12 sin 50 pi by 12 minus sin 50 pi by 12 cos 50 pi by 12. Now, what is cos 50 pi by 12? See that 50 by 12 means, do the calculation, we get 25 pi by 6 or not. This is, we can write cos 4 pi plus pi by 6. 4 pi means 2 into 360, 2 revolution completed. It's make them 0. We get cos pi by 6. What is cos pi by 6? That is root 3 by 2. Similarly, find sine 50 pi by 12, that is sine of 25 pi by 6, that is equal to sine of 4 pi plus pi by 6. 4 pi means 2 revolutions completed, that is make them 0. Sine pi by 6, sine 30 degrees, that is 1 by 2. Now substitute here, we get the answer. This is root 3 by 2. This is 1 by 2. Here minus 1 by 2. Here root 3 by 2. So a power minus 50 value at theta is equal to pi by 12. At theta is equal to pi by 12. This is the answer. Root 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2. Root 3 by 2, 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, root 3 by 2. So which option is correct? Third option is correct. Okay, this is also easy question. Now go to the next question. See this question, what they are given. A matrix given. A into A transpose is equal to I3 given. Find modulus of P. So A matrix, what they are given, 0, 2Q, R, P, Q, minus R, P, minus Q, R. This is A matrix. Write the A transpose, 0, 2Q, R, P, Q, minus R, P, minus Q, R, that is equal to identity matrix. So the multiply these two matrices. So we got like this. I multiplied only 2 rows. Third row I am not done. I think it is enough. I think identity matrix means 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 1. Sorry. Now compare both the matrices. 4q square plus r square value, that is 1. Next, 2q square minus r square is equal to 0. Next, I am going to compare second row middle value. P square plus q square plus r square is equal to 1. Now here calculation, 2q square is equal to r square. Substitute here, 4q square, r square means 2q square, that is equal to 1. Finally here 4q square plus 2q square means 6q square. Q square value is 1 by 6. Then substitute here, we get r square value 2 into 1 by 6, that is 1 by 3. But we need a P value, modulus of P. Substitute here, P square, Q square means 1 by 6, R square means 1 by 3, that is equal to 1. P square is equal to 1 minus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 6. Do the calculation, 6 LCM, 6 minus 2 minus 1. Numerator will come 3, 3 by 6, that is 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Now P, that is equal to plus or minus 1 by root 2. But they are asking modulus of P, that is 1 by root 2. This answer. Okay, this is also easy question, but calculation is more. So I think all of you understood now. Subscribe the channel, like and share to your friends, so you'll get first notification. Okay, thank you.